Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to record call in Galaxy A05 device. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that we don't have any default setting of record call in Galaxy A05 device, but we can use a third-party application for this. So just go to Play Store and then search for call recording here. So this one is the application which will record call automatically. I already downloaded, but just install this application and then click to open. Click continue and that's it. So if you have any incoming call, all the record of the incoming call will be saved here. All the records of outgoing call will be saved here. I test this feature and it will be work perfectly. Okay, now let's have a call. So as you see, the call is now start and it will be start recording here. The phone call recorder activate automatically. Now cut the call and then go to the application for the outgoing call. So as you see the time, and this one is the recording. So this is how we can record calls in Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.